lock clicked.
Why did the front lock just click?
Auto unlock triggered by proximity. Welcome home.
I am already inside. Who did it unlock for?
Biometric scan confirmed. Thumbprint authorized.
My hands are in my pockets.
Then the thumbprint was registered 0.3 seconds ago.
Oh my god. The handle is turning from outside.
Do not approach the door. I am engaging secondary lockdown.
No. The deadbolt is sliding back. It's opening for them.
The lock is not malfunctioning. It is performing its primary function. It was never installed to keep them out. The lock clicked.